What is a CPET tray and why would you want to use it? My name is Sonia of CIMAPAC and I'm here to explain this to you today and why CPET as a material is a great choice for your prepared meals. The first off is the material itself is 100% recyclable. And we all understand recycling. It's something we've been doing for many years. We all know that we have to rinse and recycle. With CPET, you can rinse, recycle, and repeat because they go through a recycling that takes you from tray to tray. It can go from the tray in through the recycling collection, breaking down, and made into another tray in about a 2-week period. If you compare that to composting, you will see that it takes much longer to grow a tree than to recycle. And we're all very familiar. So one great reason for CPET is it's recyclable, number one, which means it's the easiest plastic to recycle. So it's up to the people to really get involved in the recycling. The facilities already exist. In those facilities, they have conveyors where they're sorting out all of the plastics and the household other recycling items. To separate out the trays, many of the recycling facilities have found that the black trays are hard to sort. Therefore, instead of changing the recycling facilities, industry has had to make modifications. Therefore, a new color. So you see, we have a variety of colors here, but we call them all one thing, and that is Evolve. It's the Evolve line of trays that are starting to really take over. They function exactly the way the black CPET trays function, and I'll explain that a little bit later. But what happens is the plastic that gets recycled has many colors in it. You have green bottles, blue bottles, white bottles, same color in the trays. That mix will dictate the colors. So while Evolve is not a single color, it can be any one of these types of colors. But as I said, the functionality is exactly the same. So you're going to put your prepared meals into the tray. You choose the tray that best suits your foods. Packaging sells, remember. People buy what they see. If it looks good, they'll buy it. So make sure you choose the tray that best suits what you want to package. In terms of functionality, CPET trays, you can put the food in the freezer to -40, or you can put it in the fridge, keep it fresh and sell it fresh, or it can be reheated in a microwave oven or a regular oven. So the CPET really goes from -40 to 220 C, or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It can stay in 400 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 2 hours. It's a good idea to put a cookie sheet under it because it gives you a safer handling of the hot tray and food once the heating is completed. So in order to choose your styles, CIMAPAC offers free samples. So we can send you a variety of trays so that you can test them yourself. Now with this variety, they're all sealable. They can be top sealed with a film to make the food last longer, leak-proof, easier to ship or deliver, or take home for takeout. CIMAPAC has a wide variety of tray sealers that you can choose from manual starter kits right up to automatic machines, and vacuum sealing and gas flushing. Whatever your production needs, we're happy to help you determine what that is. We have come up with something. There are sometimes worries that trays won't be available. So we have a line of about 14 trays that we call our Red M products. These Red M products, we will guarantee that we have stock in a reasonable quantity available at any time. This to ease any worries of trays not being available, because usually once you choose the tray, you have set a program and you use the same thing. This is just a variety of the single compartment, but we also have double and triple. On here, you'll also notice that we have some APET trays. So these are some clear trays. The clear trays do not go in the oven for reheating. They are for cold foods, but top quality, recyclable, and very useful for salads or similar. This lineup of trays here, mainly CPET trays, represents the trays that we stock normally. Just to give you an idea of some of the applications, here you might have put a sticky toffee pudding in a small bowl like that. This is a great size soup bowl for Meals on Wheels seniors. We also have here poke bowls. That's about the right size for those. Individual meals, a little on the lean side, but that's okay. This is our 2171 series. This series over here, 2200 CPET trays, has become very popular as I think people are not eating quite as much. We can get into sort of a meatloaf on this one here. And we have multi-compartments, 3 compartments. This one here is very popular for our Meals on Wheels group for the senior meals because the portions are controlled. Very popular, that's in the 2227 series. Down here we have a large trays. These are great for family meals. And that could be a full turkey dinner, it could be a lasagna, could be anything, but definitely enough to feed a group. We do still have some black trays, as you can see in this display, and they are NIR detectable. NIR is near infrared, which means it can be detected in any recycling system. And the Evolve line is also available. If you need samples, we're happy to send them to you. Please call us at 1-877-631-2462 and ask for a SEMA Pro.